और अब सीधे चलेंगे हरियाणा के गुड़गांव, जहां इस वक्त ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर समिट चल रहा है और इस समिट को पेट्रोलियम
and a very promising future. So we are all here in such a great place, and therefore I am very sure that this particular summit will be a beginning.
मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान अब से कुछ ही देर के बाद संबोधित करने वाले हैं, लेकिन ये रेल मंत्री सुरेश प्रभु इस वक्त उस समिट को संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Growth trajectory for the state of Haryana. I am indeed very lucky that I represent this state into the Parliament of India. So I must really thank the people of Haryana, the legislators of Haryana, for electing me from this state. So I am really proud to be a public representative of Haryana into the Parliament. As you can see, to shape the future, we need huge investment, and there are a large number of people with big pockets sitting here, so they will make that investment. And a private sector-led growth is something that we really need for the country. And we have such great industrialists, entrepreneurs from different parts of the world also here. So what is the job of a ministry like mine? What we have to do is to make sure that we invest little bit of money into the future growth of the country by creating infrastructure for the state. The recent budget of the railways, which was presented only 10 days ago, we have decided to make huge investment into the Haryana, and that will actually bring in new connectivity. The Industries Minister, Mr. Sharma also, the Chief Minister, Mr. Captain Abhimanyu, and many others have been actually working with us to make that happen. So this investment will bring in new connectivity. But to hasten this process further, I am very happy that when our Prime Minister talked about cooperative federalism, we actually took a next step forward. We decided to make joint venture with the states, first time in India, to create rail infrastructure, sharing ownership of that infrastructure with the state government. I am very happy to say that those 16 states responded to this endeavor. One of the first states which came forward, the Honorable Chief Minister came and said, I want to sign this agreement first. So Haryana is the first state which is now going to work with us as partner to create a joint venture company in which we will develop the railway infrastructure in the country. So we'll do that very shortly, and we'll try to operationalize this SPV, a joint venture company, in the next few days itself. There are many other opportunities which private sector can participate with us. One of them is a station development. India has 400 railway stations with huge eyeballs and also great opportunity because there are almost 7 billion footfalls every year. So just imagine the opportunity for the railway station redevelopment. So I am knowing the good entrepreneurs sitting here, they should look at this as an opportunity. What we could do, also bring in the state government as a partner along with the railways. So this new joint venture company could be the mobilizer for this new idea, and therefore we invite the private sector to join hands in that. Also,
तो भारतीय रेलवे को किस तरह से मजबूत किया जाए, किस तरह से वर्ल्ड क्लास का बनाया जाए, इसके लिए पैसों की कहां-कहां ज़रूरत होगी और उन पैसों को इन्वेस्टमेंट कहां-कहां किया जाए, इसके लिए ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर समिट चल रहा है हरियाणा के गुड़गांव में। और इसी मौके पर रेल मंत्री सुरेश प्रभु उन लोगों को संबोधित कर रहे थे। बढ़ेंगे अपनी